Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Bollinger Band Breakout Oscillator indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be taking a look at an advanced testing of the Bollinger Band's Breakout Oscillator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 859 indicators, with 357 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 55 of the winning indicators. 21 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Bollinger Band's Breakout Oscillator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so visually, we only made a slight modification to this. And so this midline right here, we switched it from a gray to a black, and we bumped up the line weight of it to this one right here. And that gives us this right here. In the original testing, it did a 72% with 18 trades, and so we kept it on the daily time frame, and we kept the take profit and the stop on the default. You can see those right here. And so the setup on this was in the original video, we were looking for the kind of spike of this kind of mountainous looking area here. I guess we could call it an oscillating line. I think that's what we called it in the original one. And so we could call this an oscillating line here that you can see spiking up, creating these kind of peaks here. And so what we're looking for was when we get this oscillating line that spikes up above the dashed line here. And depending on what color it was, if it was red, we would be looking for a short, or that would be a signal to go short. If it was green, then that would be a signal to then go long. And so again, that's the way we tested it in the original video. So if we take a look at this, you can see we get a spike here. The oscillating line spikes up above the dash line right there. And you can see that we get a decent little push to the downside there, which does come down and get us to our take profit. Over here, again, we can see that we get another spike where we the oscillating line there spikes up above the dash line. That would give us a short signal right there. It does look like we may have gotten stopped out, as this does a pretty nasty pullback right there. Yep, just barely stops us out. So that would be a losing one. And then moving forward here just a little bit further, you can see that we get that spike here where we get the oscillating line spiking up above the dash line there. And this one is green, so that would be a long right there. Doesn't look like this one's going to quite make it to the 60% either. Comes down, we don't get stopped out there. We then get another spike to the upside there. That one does get us to our 60%. And so that's how we tested it in the original video. That's how we tested it again here on the advanced testing. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced test, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve in that advanced testing. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the advanced testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in most of the conversations here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons, where we're posting some really great advanced information. For example, Sasquatch here is one of our members. He is an awesome Forex prop trader, and he's putting up charts like this on a regular basis. You can see just a series of charts where he has done market analysis, marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, patterns, and things that you should be looking out for. Really teaching everybody how to do analysis as far as candlestick and different pattern analysis. Really, really great stuff there. Our newest admin, Mike from Upright Trading, he has unfortunately gotten a little ill here lately, so he hasn't been as active over the last week or so, but really great guy, really helping everybody out with indicators. He's got quite a few indicators that he has developed himself, and some are paid, some are free, but he really goes out of the way to make sure that people understand how to use them, and develop strategies that he will post videos on and guide people the best way to use his indicators. Very, very knowledgeable, awesome guy. Really great to have him around. And then just in general, the rest of the members are posting different trades that they're taking, information that they find useful or helpful for other traders, general conversation. Sometimes they'll post some of their trade results of small accounts or challenges that they're taking. Just all in all, it's a wonderful environment where everybody's helping everybody out, everybody's supporting everybody, and helping everybody grow as traders. So I highly recommend that you join us. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced test. All right, so we did the 50 trades like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades. We got 28 losing trades, and that puts us at a 44% win rate. And so obviously that's not going to maintain that 60% win rate criteria that we are looking for. And so an interesting indicator, I say that on many of these indicators, but I think most of them are rather interesting. I think indicators in general are just interesting, but this indicator did quite, okay in the original testing. I'm surprised that the win rate dropped as much as it did on the advanced test with only about 30 more trades, but sometimes that's just how it works out. And this also helps to account for different pairs. And so I'm sure on the original video we tested it on a different pair, and so this kind of helps to kind of weed out that difference between multiple pairs, as well as testing it a little bit more thorough with some more tests or some more trades there. And so unfortunately this one is going to go on the no list now, and we will move on to the next video from here.